Welcome to another exploration of Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. Today, we delve into the intricate dynamics between Shylock, his daughter Jessica, and his servant Lancelot. This scene unfolds outside Shylock's house, setting the stage for unfolding drama. Shylock informs Lancelot that working for Bassanio will mean fewer comforts than he had at Shylock's house. He warns of less food, sleep, and clothing, highlighting the differences between the two households. Frustration mounts as Shylock repeatedly calls for his daughter Jessica, who doesn't respond immediately. This delay irritates Shylock, adding tension to the already strained atmosphere outside his home. Lancelot joins in calling for Jessica, but Shylock becomes angry, insisting he didn't instruct Lancelot to do so. Lancelot retorts that Shylock always required explicit instructions for every task. Jessica finally appears, asking Shylock why he summoned her and if he needs anything. Shylock informs her of a dinner invitation and hands her the keys to the house, expressing his distrust. Despite his unease, Shylock decides to attend the dinner, mentioning a bad dream about money. He instructs Jessica to lock up the house securely, revealing his apprehension about potential misfortune. Lancelot urges Shylock to hurry as Bassanio awaits him. Secretly, he advises Jessica to watch for a certain Christian boy passing by, hinting at a clandestine plan involving her. Shylock notices Lancelot whispering to Jessica and demands to know what was said. Jessica assures him that Lancelot merely bid her farewell, concealing any hidden messages exchanged. Shylock complains about Lancelot's laziness, excessive eating, and sleeping habits. He hopes that by sending Lancelot to Bassanio, he will help waste Bassanio's resources, reflecting Shylock's disdain. After Shylock departs, Jessica bids farewell, hinting at her plan to escape. She contemplates the loss of her father as she seeks freedom, foreshadowing a significant turning point in the narrative. This scene offers a glimpse into the brewing storm within Shylock's household. Jessica's contemplation of escape highlights the tension between loyalty and rebellion, family ties, and personal freedom. As Jessica considers her daring escape, the audience is left to wonder about her next move. Will she follow through with her plan? And how will Shylock react to her potential betrayal? The complex relationship between Shylock, Jessica, and Lancelot underscores the themes of loyalty and defiance. Each character's actions contribute to the unfolding drama, setting the stage for future conflicts. Lancelot's secret message to Jessica introduces an element of intrigue. His encouragement for her to watch for a Christian boy hints at a potential alliance or escape plan involving Jessica. The scene concludes with a sense of anticipation and uncertainty. The audience is left to ponder the consequences of Jessica's potential escape and the impact it will have on Shylock and the unfolding story. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of The Merchant of Venice. We hope you enjoyed this scene and look forward to delving deeper into the intricate world of Shakespeare's characters and their stories.